In Endnote, after a while, you might want to tidy up your library. You might have thousands of references in your Endnote library and want to get rid of those that you don't use. If you, like me and most people, you might use groups. So you might add a single record, for example, or a single reference, and then add that reference into multiple groups. You might then want to tidy up. So you might want to, for example, remove this demo group once you've finished working with it. The problem, however, is that if I select all the records and delete those records, if they're in multiple groups, it will also remove the record not just from group 1 in this instance, but in any other group that record belongs. So there's a better way of doing it. We don't first delete the records. We delete the group. If I delete the group, it just deletes the group name. Then those records will show under unfiled. Unfiled means that the reference or record isn't in any of your groups. So in this case, it would be safe to delete. So what I would do, if I want to remove my records from the group or remove the group, I would alternate click on the group. I would quite simply click delete group. Now this will not, as it says, it will not remove the references. But so I'll click delete for now. Then what has happened is it's moved all those references that aren't in any other group to unfiled. So I click on unfiled, and then I can select all these and delete those references, because in my case they're safe to delete because they're not in any group. I hope this helps. Please like this video.